Well, good morning. About 2:30 here, July 14th, Sunday morning, about 2:30 in the a.m. of 2024. William from Williams, Philippines. Wait, some disturbing stuff going on. Apparently, Trump was having a rally and somebody took a shot at him. I don't know. Pray for Trump and for the country, because it sure seems like some folks are trying to tear this country apart. So pray. Anyway, it's very disturbing. Sorry, popping. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, that was some disturbing news to, well, I didn't wake up to it, but I walked into my job and that was on the TV when I walked in at 11 o'clock. Well, a few minutes before. Not what I was expecting to find out, but yeah. Trump's okay. Apparently he took a graze on his ear, which is too close for comfort. Not good. Sounds like a major failure of security all the way around. Yeah, I ain't even gonna try to go there. Too much of it just seems like it's all built. I'll just put it that way. Anyway, yeah. Another one of the reasons I'm so ready to get out of here and get to the Philippines. I am tired of all this craziness going on over here. I want the biggest bit of crazy in my day to be if I have a big one on the end of a line. I want to go fishing and catch them, reel them in, and have them for dinner. Be real nice to catch a giant tuna, like what was it? Something that's 3 times, 4 times my size. Heard of a 900 pounder here recently. Oh. I could get drug into the ocean by something like that and be totally happy to drown trying to get it on the boat or on the beach. It don't matter to me. I was looking at videos. There was somebody that got a big monster 100 yards off the shore. Yeah. A big, I think it was 600 or 800 pounder. I saw on YouTube. I could go for that. Yeah. I'm just ready to get over there and go fishing. Yeah. Where's some good islands to fish off of? That's my question. Apparently, Mindanao has some real good fishing. Tuna catching capital down there in General Santos. Yeah. I'm ready to get fishing. So yeah, 10 months. Let's see. Was a bit on the wiped out side when I left here this morning, but I still went to the farmer's market and got a bit of red taters and some onions and a little bit of squash. Yeah. I like squash, I like red taters, and I like onions. Yeah, little yellow onions. Let's see. Thought about getting some oatmeal raisin cookies. She didn't have any. Oh well, life goes on. It could have been worse. She said she'll have some next week for me. They're not cheap, but they are damn good. Very good. Anyway, didn't get out of here until late today because, well, pretty much we were almost completely sold out. And yeah, had a full house, and all kinds of people were coming down for breakfast. And I was on my 4th batch of eggs. So yeah, very busy day. I didn't even bother to see if there was any leftovers when I opened the fridge to grab some milk. Yeah, I didn't even worry about it. I know I'm gonna have to just make everything fresh in the morning, so that's okay. That happens. But yes, interesting times here in America. Being a Texan, quite honestly, I'm for Texas getting out of this mess and leaving. But until Texas decides to take and leave, I've decided it's better for me to just go fishing. So, yeah. Texas and the Philippines have a lot in common. Hispanic, Spanish, territory at one time, or colonies at one time. Yeah. The nightmare for the Spanish here in Texas wasn't so much, Americans and such, or, it was the Apache Comanche and a few folks like that. Spanish didn't want to stick around here. Something about waking up with a piece of your scalp, missing, just made them want to go away. Seems like a real good way to fix a lot of problems, Scalp people until they leave you alone. Yeah, works. Might not be real civilized, but that's a solution that does work. A lot more painful than most people are willing to accept as civilized, but what is civilization? Oh, giving government permission to terrorize you instead of the natives. Yeah, because government is civilized, right? Anyway. Yeah, Texas does have a lot in common with the Philippines. And yeah, I'm Texan. That's all there is to it. So, yay. I'm hoping everybody's had a good weekend. And for those of you that are off into your Monday already, yay. Enjoy. I hope you had a wonderful and blessed weekend. For those of you who are still enjoying your weekend, yay. May it take as long as possible to last, so that you don't have to start your week and get up and go do the evil Wing. It is what it is anyway. Saw a few videos over there. So apparently a few folks over there have caught the idea of what's happened over here. And yeah, somebody was saying be kind with your comments. So yeah, please. This is William from Williams, Philippines. Please subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell or whatever. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll try to catch you at a later date. Well, tomorrow. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines, and hey, I'm Fish, and Fish is out.